Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Wajid Akhter. I'm the Assistant Secretary General of the Muslim Council of Britain. Look, I get it. You're fed up. You're fed up of listening to so called experts and the government kind of giving you this information and people telling you about COVID again. We're tired. But maybe it's worth listening to the words of our Prophet ﷺ. Our Prophet ﷺ said that a Muslim is someone who does not harm nor he returns harm. What does that mean in the context of a pandemic? If you do not want to harm your fellow human beings, then wear a mask. Because wearing a mask, especially indoors, reduces the risk of passing on COVID by about 50%. The Prophet ﷺ also said that you should tie your camel, then make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for any matter. What does that mean during a pandemic? Tying your camel means getting the COVID vaccine and getting the booster. It doesn't mean that you won't get COVID, and it doesn't even mean that you won't pass on COVID. But what it does mean, crucially, is that you have the best chance of not being hospitalized and not dying from COVID. Number 3, the Prophet ﷺ said, a believer does not get stung from the same hole twice. We want to be believers, right? We want to be categorized as that. So why are we getting stung from the same hole twice? We're coming up to the winter holidays and we're seeing big weddings, big events, large gatherings, multiple households mixing. Even though we know that the rates of COVID are going up through the roof, if even 1% of those people end up in hospital, our healthcare system will collapse. And if you ask anyone who works in a hospital or GP surgery, we're not even at the edge of collapsing. We're past that point already. They're on their knees and they're struggling. So we're begging you, we're asking you, heed the words of our Prophet ﷺ. Wear a mask, get the booster, and be careful when socializing this winter.